Does LG own OLED? No, LG does not own OLED technology, but it is the leading manufacturer of OLED TV panels. OLED, organic light emitting diode, is a display technology developed by multiple companies. But LG Display is the primary supplier of OLED panels for TVs, making it the dominant player in the OLED TV market. 1. Who invented OLED technology? OLED technology was first developed in the 1980s by researchers at Eastman Kodak. The company created the first functional organic light-emitting diode display, laying the foundation for modern OLED screens. Since then, various companies including Sony, Samsung, and LG have contributed to the development of OLED displays. While LG is the leader in OLED TV panels, other brands like Sony and Panasonic also use OLED technology but rely on LG Display for their OLED panels. 2. What is LG's role in OLED TV production? LG is the only major company that produces OLED panels for televisions. Through LG Display, it manufactures OLED screens that are used in LG OLED TVs, C-Series, G-Series, Z-Series, etc. Sony OLED TVs. Sony buys OLED panels from LG. Panasonic, Philips, and Vizio OLED TVs, which also use LG Display panels. LG Display's dominance means that most OLED TVs, regardless of brand, use LG's OLED panels but with different software processing and tuning. 3. Does LG have exclusive rights to OLED? No, LG does not have exclusive rights to OLED, but it dominates the OLED TV market. Other companies such as Samsung and BOE, China's leading display maker, also produce OLED panels but focus more on smartphones and tablets rather than large-screen OLED TVs. Samsung initially developed OLED TV technology, but later focused on QLED and micro-LED. However, Samsung recently started producing QD OLED, quantum dot OLED TVs, competing with LG's traditional OLED displays. 4. What makes LG OLED unique? LG's OLED panels are known for perfect blacks and infinite contrast. Each pixel emits its own light and can turn off completely. Wide viewing angles. Unlike LCDs, OLED maintains color accuracy from all angles. Dolby Vision and gaming features. LG OLED TVs support Dolby Vision, HDMI 2.1, and G-Sync/FreeSync for gaming. OLED AVO technology. Newer LG OLED TVs, like the G-Series, feature brighter panels for improved HDR. LG continues to innovate with rollable OLED displays, transparent OLEDs, and bendable OLEDs. Despite competition, LG remains the top OLED TV panel supplier, making it the driving force behind OLED's success. LG does not own OLED technology, but it is the largest producer of OLED TV panels. While other brands use OLED, LG Display supplies most of the world's OLED TV screens, making it the dominant force in the OLED TV market.